In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in Clipchamp. By the end, you'll have your project open, your footage in place, and everything set up so you can confidently bring music into your edit. First, open your web browser and head over to the Clipchamp website. Once the page loads, launch the editor and sign into your account so you can access your projects and save your changes. Signing in ensures your work is stored safely and synced, which is especially helpful if you switch devices later. Next, you'll either create a fresh project or open one you've already started. If you're beginning something new, click Create a New Video. You can give your project a clear name so it's easy to find later, and confirm the aspect ratio that matches where your video will be used, like widescreen for YouTube or vertical for mobile. If you already have a project in progress, simply open it from your dashboard and you'll pick up right where you left off. With your workspace ready, you can optionally add your video now so you have a visual foundation before you bring in music. Import your footage using the Add Media button or drag and drop files straight from your computer into the media library. Once your video appears in the library, drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Place the clip on the main video track and let it snap to the beginning of the timeline to keep everything aligned. If you have multiple clips, arrange them in the order you want your story to flow, and trim any extra bits by selecting the edges of each clip and dragging to the desired length. Take a moment to zoom in on the timeline for precision and play through your sequence to confirm pacing. This is a great time to note key visual moments, like transitions, scene changes, or highlights, so your music can later match the energy of your edit. Keeping your footage organized now will make syncing audio smoother. Clipchamp auto-saves frequently, but it's still a good habit to name your project clearly and pause to let all media finish uploading. Using high-quality source files helps ensure your audio and video stay in sync during editing and export. At this point, your project is open, your clips are in place, and you're fully set to add music. Starting from this timeline layout, you'll be able to bring in a track, position it to match your visuals, and fine-tune the timing in the next part of your edit.